Okay, there's nothing in it. Okay. How many times vegetable oil is?
I don't want to do this. Should I? Oh.
Oh, why did you? Oh, wow. Wow. Oh.
Maggie, you ready? Ready for this? We're gonna go. Boop.
Are you ready? Tell
Yes.
me. Okay. Are you just filming like straight?
I don't know, man.
Yes, sir. Such a
Cravache?
cute spatula.
What is it called, Mieke?
Cravat?
Cravat.
Yes.
How do you spell that?
The way it sounds.
Cravat.
C-R-A-T-V-A-T. Wait, no.
C-R-A-V-A-T.
C-R-A-V-A-T. Cravat.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Isn't it cute?
Very cute.
It's very Halloween. How much oil? Tell me. Half a cup? I think it's half a cup.
Oh, okay, so we combine this first. Who wants to mix?
Ew, why does it look like that?
Really gonna mix with a spatula? You what?
Okay.
But Halloween.
But how are you gonna get it out of the bowl when it's done with that?
What do you mean? Yeah, with the spatula.
Okay.
But that's
Inferior wrestling.
sorry, Ryan. Yeah, I agree with that assessment. Okay, ready? Why'd you get mini? Sorry. Just put it in.
Wait, no, she's full.
No, you have to fold the thing.
I thought you full.
Wait, are you even getting
what
the
is this?
stuff?
I'm getting the
You
stuff.
can look in the bowl?
Yeah, I'm looking in the bowl.
Why do you have to fold?
Do you know
that
how to
does
fold?
nothing. What is?
I feel like you should put it in first.
Wait, like all of it? Just put the thing in.
Oh, it smells so good. I could snort this.
I thought.
That's just like pumpkin flavor. It just looks like bark. Okay, you gotta be a little more aggressive about it.
What's
Not
folding?
folding. I think you like fold it.
Yeah, you like bring it through and then around or something.
Bring it back over.
Cooking lessons with us. With
Halloween
Mieke and
edition.
Maggie.
Oh, yeah?
With the A and G.
And what about me, huh?
Well, you didn't even know what folding was, so.
Do you guys like lemon dessert?
No.
That's sort of
Mieke,
Yes,
do you like lemon dessert?
I do.
Ew.
Butter. We don't have cooking.
I feel like there's a different way to butter this.
Well, okay. I don't. Normally, you would like spray it with.
use oil.
Yeah.
Smart.
Well, normally you'd use like cooking.
Oh.
Okay,
It does smell good.
let's pour it in.
Kind of salty. It tastes like something. Salmonella.
I'm a little worried that I put too much nutmeg in the pie because I actually
Wait, so
thought
you
it.
guys ready for dinner or no?
Yeah,
Okay.
Pepperoni.
pepperoni. I think.
Sounds good.
Thank you, Martin.
Thank you.
After they called you the inferior hustler. And everything.
Oh my goodness, I just realized you guys got a butter plate.
Yes, and then it's in the oven.
About 55 to 60 minutes.
Oh Jesus.
60.
15 minutes and then an additional 35 minutes.
That's like the same thing.
Yeah. That is just like, yeah, that's 50 minutes.
No!
What the? What? No! That's so not.
Damn, good job.
Oh, that's not a ceiling light. It's not a ceiling light.
What the? It's still in. Okay, now you gotta go fast.
What?
Sideways, down.
I can't do this.
Who started your husband?
I just want to talk about the fact that I didn't lose a heart there.
I still definitely play soccer. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. You know,
Look at that.
I was gonna say I still play soccer, but then I remembered I'm Paul.
it's kind of more like of a joke. So, yeah.
she's gonna wait. Wait, no. No, do it now. Just tell me when.
It's not that strict, yeah.
You'll hit me or whatever. He said anyone else go.
I miss going to practice.
Damn it, Adam.
Wait, play it.
Hopefully by
Play it
next
so I can
week.
hear you.
Hello, I'm Paul. Yeah. At least I'm not a senior, so.
Thanks, Adam.
Alright, well, you guys are free to go, but thanks for coming. Thank you.
I want them to leave. Go, bye, Adam.
Yeah, I'll see you.
I'm gonna leave. Ready?
Thanks, Adam, for coming.
No, stay, Maggie.
Yeah.
We can.
Lord! I should have turned on my camera. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Wow. Ooh, it's kind of warm. Hello.
It smells so
cool.
good. Give it a sniff. Look at the lemon. You wanna give it a sniff?
Ooh. It says 10 to 12. Okay, let's go.
Where are we going?
Are we going to the garage?
Oh my god, I've never been here before.
Oh my
Come on in.
Let's go. Oh, wow.
Oh my god.
This looks like a scene from Criminal Minds.
This is the costume box. Maggie, I got a really good costume for you. Here, put it on. Why me? Because you have a costume. This is your punishment.
Oh.
This is so creepy. I
I'm
don't
trying to
wanna wear
find
it.
something else.
Please, something else.
Ooh.
Look how many.
We're gonna be a party shark.
I need the step stool.
I am party shark.
Okay, ready?
I'm scared.
Where's the mirror?
Here. Let's put everything back. Except for the frog.
You look like pink guy.
It's in that room.
Hello.
This looks like something. Oh.
Why y'all?
Just start with some pumpkin bread. Right.
I already tried it.
No, I mean, like, what do you think?
Oh, I don't really like whipped cream.
Pretty good?
When someone brings the pan. When I'm washing the dish.
Oh! Dang it.
She
said,
I'm gonna scare it.
Okay.
Dang it, Sierra. Hello. Do you like it, Sierra? The bread?
The bread?
Look at
Do you
it.
like pumpkin bread?
Whoa.
You brought this.
I love the design. Are those like lemons?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's lemon bread.
I'm a little worried I'm not gonna be able to get it out of the pan.
Shh, no, cut again.
And it was like, oh, this is first. Wow, good one, Max.
It was like camping. Yeah, that's what I said when we first got out here. More wood, more wood.
Me almost falling.
Oh,
Whatever, but yeah.
may I see the fan?
Yeah, for sure.
What's the word for fan in Japanese? Fan.
Sierra?
Sierra?
Shut
What's the
up.
word for what, fan?
Uchi.
Uchiwa.
Really?
Yes. right?
Uchiwa?
For that kind of fan, yeah.
I only said it because Sasuke Uchiha. Because you know their thing is a fan?
Yeah.
Yo. Okay. Very cool.
The spark's going in.
It's fine.
Okay. Woo!
Oh lord.
There's so much, it's like bright now.
I love it.